Here I have Motorola Moto Z2 Play, and let me show you how to set up the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by unlocking the phone. Let's open the list of all applications, find and select the settings. Here you have to choose the security, it's located under personal tab, and right here you can choose on fingerprint. As you can see here, you've got the information about the fingerprint, you can read it and you can tap next. Before you add the fingerprint, you need to add some screen lock methods. It will be your backup, your alternative method, so you have to decide either you would like to use pattern, pin or password. In my case it could be, for example, the pattern. You can require pattern to start the device, but in my case let me choose no thanks. Let's draw your unlock pattern, tap continue, and let's do it again just for confirmation. As you can see now, you have to choose your form of notifications. You can select show all notification content, hide sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. In my case it could be show all content. Tap done, and now you need to find your sensor. The sensor is located right here as in the home button. Let's just place your finger, tap next one more time, and let's start. So put your finger on the sensor and let's slightly move your finger to save the whole fingerprint. So let's keep tapping. As you can see, fingerprint is added. Now you can add another one, or you can tap next if you are ready. So the fingerprint sensor can lock your phone. Let's tap got it. That's it. Here you can change some settings with your fingerprint, or you can simply lock your device by pressing the power key. And now if you would like to unlock your phone, you can enter and use your pattern, or you can do the same thing by using your fingerprint. Just tap your sensor and that's it. Now you can use your device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.